Find features that distinguish it from other brands for SnapGlow wireless video doorbell camera. And why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why. Because there are features. Quick and effortless installation. Set up the video doorbell camera wirelessly in minutes, eliminating the need for complicated wiring or professional installation. AI-powered smart notifications. Eliminate false alarms and receive only the most important alerts, ensuring you stay aware of any unusual activity in real time. Multi-user access for shared protection. Allow family members to monitor and control the camera for a more secure and connected home environment. Infrared night vision. Get a crystal clear view of your property both during the day and at night, thanks to powerful infrared night vision technology. Encrypted cloud storage for ultimate privacy. Your security footage is protected with AES 128-bit encryption, subscription required, ensuring that only you can access and review your videos. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.